me sees. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over.
I am here because I am going to place on some avocados with some pineapples and some apple juice because I'm going to try to build up his proteins and his weight because he's going to be 1 next month. So let's see how this is going to go. Here is the finished product of the avocado. Look how good and smooth it is.
Oh, we can't